If I had to describe IMOS in 3 words, the words I would choose would be efficient, accurate, and dynamic. System 6 was started in 1975 by my father. We're in our 50th year now. We were quite early adopters of software within the industry. In fact, we created our own bespoke ordering system. And until we came across IMOS, what we didn't have was the back end to match the front end that we'd created. So we were able to give our customers flexibility, but when it came into the business, it needed to be manually adjusted to go through the factory. IMOS has enabled us to scale up our offering of bespoke products.
We set up the software exactly in the System 6 environment, talking to their additional systems they have. And I'm very impressed how fast they pick up the way of how we are able to automate together with our IX technology.
Looking at the current workflow, what we do is we get an order in, either through our online portal or through our sales order processors. They all get inputted into our ERP. Our ERP will have unit codes. Those unit codes will then translate into an article code for IMOS. That ERP will then generate a file for IMOS that will tell it what's the internal, the width, the height. We can put variables in. We've introduced that feature into our own ERP, so you can just dump the variables straight onto the XML file. So IMOS can automatically change the cabinet for us. It's a lot easier because you just see everything happening in real time. You're not wondering, if I put that drawer there, is that going to clash with a hinge? Because you're seeing all the components in one hit. One of the main things is that a lot of customers ask for is drawings. We can draw the cabinet in IMOS, send it to the customer, and then the customer can confirm back and say, yes, that's what I want. Oh no, I want to change this or that.
IMOS has enabled us to create a seamless flow from the customer choosing it, literally in the comfort of their office or the customer's house, through to the machines.
Any questions we have, we usually get an answer within the hour. Because the experience in3D has in manufacturing itself, they've already come across that one way or the other, so that way, most of the times they have a solution for us. Stuff that's not available right now, I will do the feedback to in3D, they will feed it back to IMOS, and IMOS will say, we know you're having this issue while trying to do this. Let's see if this helps you with that.
Without the IMOS software package, we simply wouldn't be able to offer our customers the flexibility with their designs that we currently do. And it would be hugely restrictive to the growth of the business. So if I was asked to recommend IMOS, hand on heart, yeah, 100%.
If another company was thinking of purchasing IMOS, what would you say to them?
Depends how close they are.
Yeah.